Hello, welcome to another episode of AI Spotlight Show. My name is Henry Onowale, the host of AI Spotlight Show. We are live at Knowledge 2025, a yearly event organized by ServiceNow for its customers, for its partners, and also for all users of ServiceNow. And today we'll be featuring ServiceNow, where we'll be talking about some of the newly released AI agent products. And the good thing about this new product, during the keynote section, the CEO of ServiceNow said that this newly released AI agent would take businesses to a new level where different organizations are going to experience a transformational form in their business, in the area of sales, in the area of marketing, where this AI agent will help business to be able to automate workflow and also to be able to achieve high level of productivity. And today we'll be speaking to a representative. Who do we have today?
Hi, my name is Kartik.
Kartik, thank you so much for joining this episode of AI Spotlight Show. And what do you do at ServiceNow?
I'm part of data analytics team. I lead the team, and my team has built this.
Wow, that is really amazing. I spoke to Rajiv, and he was able to give us a context of what the newly released AI agents can do on the ServiceNow platform. And we're able to look at the use cases, and we're also able to look at the business outcome, how it will help organization to stay on top in terms of this AI innovation, and also to gain market dominance, and also to help them accelerate business process. Now, can you tell us what AI Control Tower does?
Okay. So AI Control Tower provides you an enterprise-wide visibility of all the AI assets you have in the organization. It helps you take some decision around how is your AI strategy working, are you getting the value out of it, and where you need to do some intervention, where you need to invest more, where you need to retire the model. So it gives you an ability for all the AI leaders, product managers, product owners, data scientists, ML engineers, all the personas have a play here in AI Control Tower.
Wow, that is really amazing. And one question that comes to my mind, on this dashboard, are they able to see how much is being spent?
The next one is on the investment part of
Yeah.
So it comes to your AI strategy, what you have defined. So for example, as part of your strategy, if you are looking to get, let's say, X million value out of it, and how much are you getting at it? So it gives you that. For example, I can show you use cases. These are the use cases we have, and for each case we have defined a target from the return that we need to get and where exactly we are from a value standpoint. It provides you that visibility.
Okay, my question is, from the AI Control Tower, let us assume that the company agreed to invest $6.5 million. Now, is there like a feature where we can impute that details? And is there also a feature within the dashboard that can show how much we are spending on the platform?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Let me show you that. So this is one of the models, right? When you go to the details of it, you come down,
all other skill capabilities.
So it's going to tell you about all the effort, the stories, the epics, everything that has gone behind building this one. And you can calculate the amount of effort, translate that into a cost. For example, look at this. This is the number of stories. Those are being worked to create this. So this is your investment. This capacity is your investment in building this. So dashboard has the ability to talk what use case you have spent money on.
Wow, that is really amazing. And I'm surprised to see the agile stories.
Yeah.
Then how do you deploy that? Is there a form of integration between the ServiceNow platform with probably Atlassian, Jira?
Now we have everything on our own platform. We don't need to go to Jira. This is SPM, ServiceNow platform.
Wow.
So we have integrated with our own platform.
Okay, now are you saying that companies can now create their user stories within the platform itself?
Absolutely. Using our product called SPM.
Wow, that is really amazing. And is that a newly launched product?
No, it is always there. We have SPM, APM. So those products are there where you can track the asset lifecycle and you can use that.
Wow, that is really amazing, and that to me makes agile methodology very seamless. Wow. Now, can we kind of deep dive? Can you go open the AI control tower again? Now, let us look at some specific features within the control tower.
So as you see, this is the detail of one of the AI use case.
Okay.
Your virtual assistant will be available.
We have a value monitoring. What it says is the value you are getting from this model, it is dropping, which means you need to pay attention to it. It says execution of it. It's working, which means the model is getting executed on time.
So that
Sorry, before you move, I saw something. What is MQL?
AI search.
This is a marketing qualified lead.
Search here.
This is a business case for marketing.
Okay.
In the search application, you have a search profile where you will select all the search sources.
Okay. I think one thing that I would like to know is
those are all comes as a search source.
what is the applicability of
These are all out of the box.
the model risk assessment, data governance, security.
Yeah, sure.
When I see this, one thing that comes to my mind is the responsible AI principles.
Exactly.
How does this work? How can company leverage this?
Okay, so this is part of the compliance track.
Okay.
So as part of compliance, you are expected to take care of everything, which includes bias, certification, change, model risk assessment. This is integrated with our IR, data governance, security, risk and compliance, everything. For this particular use case, how are you tracking against them?
Okay.
Which is also integrated in AI control tower.
Now, let's go to the area of biasness. Now, when there is a green light, does it indicate that whatever you are building, biasness has been detected?
No, it means there's no bias.
Okay, it means there is no bias. Then,
automatically
what color does it change to when it detects biasness?
It will be red.
Oh, I think I really like the AI control tower, and the reason why I like it is most AI solution and technology that have been built out there, they didn't consider the responsible AI principles, in their design. And I'm so excited that ServiceNow actually consider this because this is really like a comprehensive dashboard. For other companies that have built AI applications, sometimes the organization have to bring in another third-party application in order to have access to all of these features. But now what you are trying to tell me is once a company, an organization or a customer deploy ServiceNow AI agent or ServiceNow AI technology, they will have access to the control tower, or does it come with an additional cost?
Now, AI control tower is a separate product. We just announced 2 days back.
Okay.
It's a separate SKU. Customers can purchase it. It works on Now platform,
Okay.
and they can use it to track all of their AI assets. It could be on Now platform, could be outside of the platform.
Oh, wow. Now you could use the ServiceNow AI control tower not just for ServiceNow AI technology, you can also use it for Microsoft Azure AI service.
Yeah.
They can use it for AWS. Wow, that is amazing. As a member of the team that helped to build this AI control tower, can you tell me one of the things that kind of inspired you from an ethical approach, why building this?
Sure.
Yeah.
So, 1.5, 2 years back, we were struggling to get a holistic view of all the AI use cases that we have.
Okay.
Because some of them are on this platform, some are on the other platform. Some information they are there in spreadsheet and multiple different places.
Oh.
Now, when your leaders ask you a question, hey, can I get an inventory of all our AI assets we have?
Yeah.
I want to track value for them. We were struggling to do that. So it started an idea that why don't we build a platform or why don't we build a solution which can bring everything together, and we're able to answer some of the executive questions that our leaders are looking for. So it started with that, and step by step we built. We included the asset lifecycle because we want to track end-to-end how the use case is being developed, deployed, monitored, governed in a single place. Then we included the value part. Then we included the compliance part because you must be compliant. There are regulatory framework,
Yeah.
right? There is European Union and there is NIST RMF.
There's NIST,
framework.
yeah.
So we need to comply with all of them. Then data governance is there, risk assessment is there.
Yeah.
So we included everything to provide that holistic view of anything related to AI asset lifecycle, value and adoption, governance and execution. Everything can be done on a single platform.
Wow. To be honest, I think this is a very innovative technology, and I can predict that ServiceNow will be one of the top AI companies. And I think you guys are ready for the future. And I think this is a great opportunity for customers that want to scale in terms of bringing in AI into their platform. And it seems that ServiceNow is trying to create an AI solution where everything can be found in one place.
Correct.
You know, they don't want things to be disjointed, like, you know, being in segment. And I think, being fragments rather, I think this is a very innovative idea. And I also believe that a lot of organizations who are actually scared, like the healthcare industry and the banking industry, most of them are kind of, will I say, reluctant in terms of adopting AI in every aspect of their business because of the restriction policy in those industries. But with AI Control Tower, I believe they should be rest assured and be able to leverage AI in every aspect of their business. Thank you, Kartik, for joining this episode of AI Spotlight Show. And I guess the next step, we'll invite you for a virtual demo, where probably we can do a demo. Maybe we can have about 5 series of 5 sections where we can do a demo for each of those features, for bias, for compliance, for model risk assessment. Then we can have about 10 episodes. Thank you so much.
Sure,
wow, this is actually an innovative technology. AI Control Tower that is being launched by ServiceNow really kind of excites me a lot, because a lot of companies are excited about the innovative capability of artificial intelligence, but not thinking about the risk aspect of it. But what ServiceNow has done to assure their customers that they can build in AI technology and AI solution on their platform with the opportunity to leverage AI Control Tower, where they have 360-degree oversight on all the AI operation taking place within the platform. And with this AI Control Tower, organization will be able to monitor all the phases of the AI lifecycle, from the process where you define your business use case. As you can see, you can also track and monitor your agile user stories. You can also use it to track your data preparation, your data collection. You can also use it to track your model selection and your model training, as well as your deployment and monitoring, and also to measure your level of adoption. That means it also helps you to set up an effective change management practice. Wow, this is really an amazing technology. And for organizations like the healthcare and financial industry who are looking to bring in AI, I can tell you with ServiceNow, you can scale your AI strategy and as well as your AI goal. Thank you for joining another episode of AI Spotlight Show. My name remains Henry Onowale.